My name is Mayssam Tamim. I'm the founder, owner, and artisan behind the brand Mayasm. Originally, Mayasm was made for organic soaps because this has been my passion forever. But I also make candles right now. I did ask the people who contacted me from the Biennale more or less what the theme would be. And they said that there was textile in the work that they were exhibiting at the Biennale. So I made an attempt to make a soap that exists in the collection here called Sadu, choosing the colors that exist in Sadu and coming as close as possible to a design, but it is extremely inspired by that. I use locally sourced material. So I use olive oil from Al-Jawf. I use camel milk in my soaps that are from Genadriya. I use honey in my soaps that I source from Al-Baha. So I'm trying to bring as many of the regions as I can. So that for me is extremely, extremely important. Another soap that is going to be a recent featured here is a soap I made from Zamzam water. So that also is inspired by the culture and it's really important. And it is made in a design that is inspired by the Kaaba. It's black with a gold line on top. So this is my inspiration. On the other hand, the candles I make, the candles are made from very natural waxes. So I use soy wax, coconut wax, and beeswax. The beeswax is locally sourced from Al-Baha as well. What I hope the visitors take with them when they come to the store, the local visitors, be them Saudis or residents, to see that there are locally made products that are not just worthy, oftentimes better quality, and for them to promote what is locally made, because the Biennale has made a great effort in choosing stuff that is extremely good quality. And I'm not talking just about my soaps, I'm talking about everything I see around it. And for the people that come from outside Saudi Arabia to understand the change in the art that they see in the store and see that this is not something imported from France, Italy, the US, the UK, China, or whatever. This is locally made by artists who have pride in the country and know how to showcase the things that they do.